Hey guys, today I'm gonna open up my first Super7 Ultimates. I got Leo and Raph. They were at a good price on Amazon. So this box holds this bag holding the other box, and that box is covered by this box cover. I think I know why they're so expensive. And now we have Leo Ultimate by Super7. This is awesome. Let's get into this guy. Underneath, we have some extra weapons and some extra hands. So this is a rack and like all the classic weapons he would have came with. He was the original toy, like this guy, but this isn't the original. This is the remake of the original. That's really cool, but they have a lot more detail and they're bigger, obviously. 3 extra sets of hands. So I never thought I'd be able to get Super7 because they're so expensive. But a couple weeks ago, it was my birthday and I was about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'd seen the price go down on this Raph and Leo on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. Let's see if it was worth it. It comes with slice of pizza, turtle com, closed turtle com, silver weapons. It also has the brown weapons. Really suctioned in there. Get the easy stuff first. It's a nice scowl on this face. I like that. Alright. The thing about Super7, what they do, they try to make the ultimate version of the original toy, where NECA tries to go more just based off the actual cartoon episode or whatever. It looks awesome. I love these silver weapons, all the detail on them. So that's the head that matches the original head, but way more detail. And I like this head better, but they're hard to take on and off. You gotta warm them up first. So I'll do that later. Detail on this slice of pizza is pretty awesome too. So you get the same weapons in the silver and brown. You only get the rack in the brown. Light brown, but that's dope. I like them all. And for Raph, when I got them, I couldn't wait to unbox both of them. So he's already ready over here. I already changed his head. This is the head that came on him. This is the original Raph from actual back in the day. So they went off, but they made them, yeah, they're different colors, but not as drastic. This is the new Raph, and they made him very pale green for some reason. See, like between the teeth, see the big space? In the cartoon they didn't have that, but in the original toy they had that. This is Raph. He also has a slice of pizza. Is it the same? Maybe Donnie and Mike have like a different pepperoni orientation. Mikey comes with the pizza box, and couldn't afford him. Donnie I found on AliExpress, and that should come tomorrow, so it's my first ever AliExpress order, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, these guys are awesome. They've got full articulation, which the old toys, they didn't have that. Far from it. Turn the hand. He also came with a second weapon rack, similar but different color than Leo's. He came with all the hands, came with all the duplicate silver weapons, plus he has 2 gray and black instead of silver, so that's dope. He came with an extra set. I thought Leo would have another set of gray swords, but he didn't. Like, goes all the way up and down. Can also go sideways, so I could never do that. But yeah, that's awesome. I love all the detail. He's got a spot for this thing in his back. Leo doesn't have any extra weapon slots. Look at the detail, even different color in the straps where they hook on. So yeah, these guys are super awesome, and I'm super happy I got them finally. I've been waiting a while until they finally went down in price. Mikey is still expensive. I have not only one, I have 2 Donnies coming tomorrow from AliExpress, and one's gonna join these guys, one's gonna get something done to him, because from AliExpress 2 were the same price that I paid for one of these guys. That'll be coming up soon, and next week on Saturday I'm gonna work on IDW Bebop.
The next day.
So here I have my very first ever order from AliExpress. In this box are 2 Super7 Ultimate Donatellos, and I ordered them in box, but I know because I have a couple other ones that they come in a box and a box and a bag and a box. So this is not that. Let's see what we got. So it's not a box and a box and a box and a box. This is a smaller version. I don't think this is the same wave as these guys. Or maybe it's just a knockoff and that's why it looks so different. Or a different version. It comes with less stuff. I might have to paint them to make them match these other guys. One of them I'm gonna paint for sure, but like a different version of Donatello from the cartoon. So yeah, the box is pretty squished up. A little rip there. But I don't think I'm gonna keep these particular boxes anyway. Oh, there's some tape. One out. So yeah, two of these guys cost me the same as one of those guys. These ones look more like a cartoon version than a toy version. So I think this is a different line. A little more like NECA style or NECA colors and like NECA cartoon vibes, where these are like the ultimate version of the original toy. This is, I guess, s.h.figuarts. Oh, yeah, this is not Super7 Ultimate at all. This is an s.h.figuarts. So he definitely doesn't match this guy. This is my first ever of one of these. That makes the whole beginning of this video wrong. So I guess I need Mikey and Donatello from that line. Don't think I'll be getting more of these guys. Maybe. Let's take them out and see. Wow. Comes out really easily. That's good. Foot is off. That's not great. His bandana. Oh yeah, I think it's supposed to come off. Oh yeah, he's only got one bandana back for both the heads. That's weird. He's got 3 extra sets of hands. Oh, that's supposed to be loose, I guess, so it can move more and cover the joint. I like the detail and the coloring on the shell here. Comes with a slice of pizza. This should go on his back. I guess you can alternate. Yeah, I guess this should come off, and then this goes instead and holds his bow staff. This is making a pretty weird face, like he's up to something. There, he's happy. I really like this belt. It's got a metal D, and that was a little tough, but it came out. Oh, his foot fell off again. It doesn't seem to fit as nicely. Maybe it's upside down. No? Yeah, that doesn't really fit. Let's see how this one does. He's good. Both his feet are staying in. Arm goes up. There's no side shell. That's kind of weird. This guy also has no side shell. I guess that gives them better rotation. Twist here, double knee, foot, twists. The toes will move, but they're a little stiff. Yeah, they move. Head goes all the way around and up and down really well. So yeah, this is a pretty good figure. This one's a little janky, but I'll make that one the custom. This one will stay a regular cartoon turtle. He's pretty dope. Might change the head. Is that hard or easy? Oh, that's easy. Make him have the happy head. Doesn't go on as easy as it came off. It's always hard when they rotate or move around so much because they move while you're trying to get it in place. Yeah, it's pretty goofy, but he looks cool. What about this? That one came off a little better. Easier. Let's see how this fits on. Oh, that popped off. Not very good, and it's also a different color. I don't know if you bought it at a store if it would be like that, but that doesn't really fit on well, and it's a different color. So I don't like that. Anyway, so I guess I'm glad I got 2, because one is a little more messed up. The back piece doesn't really fit in place, and also it's a different color, so I'm not happy about that. But otherwise, this guy's pretty dope. He's also feels like they're metal parts. They feel like metal. But yeah, he's pretty good, pretty cool cartoon version. I like them. So this has been, I guess, s.h.figuarts from AliExpress, my first experience. I'm glad I got 2. I thought I was getting those turtles for some reason. So until next time, thanks for watching, and remember, always keep your head up. Peace.